Gates open. They're up and racing. Bad Boy moving up. Doña Leonora through a count. The outstanding favorite didn't waste time and now catching the lead this time by about 2 lengths. Racing in second, Doña Leonora, followed by Paviola. Bad Boy racing in fourth. Then on the outside, Primavera, Red Hot Waters by the rail. Taste and See running third last, second last, Renzi stays. And running at the tail of the field is entry number 6, Mega Drive. Heading towards the last 600, is still setting the pace. This one is the top favorite through a count this time by about 4 lengths. Fabiola is in second. Moving up on the outside is Bad Boy. Doña Leonora drops back in fourth. Red Hot Water is down in fifth and on the outside. Primavera Renzi stays. Taste and See and Mega Drive is still in behind them. Final 200 meters to run. It's still through a count leading the field. Fabiola is by the rail. Bad Boy Doña Leonora pining back once again on the outside. With the last 75 meters more to run, it happens to be the outstanding favorite. Number 2, through a count. Doña Leonora took second over Fabiola. Bad Boy close between Renzi Stays, Red Hot Water. Then comes Primavera, Mega Drive, and Taste and See comes in last.